I'm LaDonna Lockard, and this is Max Combos. I'm here today with Dr. Jennifer Gormer. Dr. Jennifer, I want to make sure I get this right because you have such a fantastic title that I want to do it the proper service that it deserves. You are the president and CEO of Integrity Home Lending. You're the chairwoman for the Broker Action Coalition Black Homeownership Council and the founder of the BNPA. How are you? Thank you
I'm
so much for
good.
joining me.
Thank you for having me today.
It is a true pleasure. I wanted to have you here, one, in honor of Black History Month, but two, I want to talk to you about this actionable item that you have going on right now. It's focused around what you're building with the Black Mortgage Professional Alliance. Talk to me about what you just launched.
Absolutely. As my role as the chairwoman of the Black Homeownership Council with the BAC, we have a partnership, BMPA and the BAC, and we have been working tirelessly the last 6 to 7 months to produce a playbook. We don't have an issue with data. The data's there. We know that there's an issue. We know that there's a consumer that needs help getting across the finish line and becoming a homeowner. What we have is a playbook issue. It is a tangible solutions resource to help more consumers to get that coveted you're approved for your new home. And that's exactly what we just launched. Our council is made up of national leaders across this country. As the founder of BMPA, my entire executive team sits on this council, and we work tirelessly to create a playbook that addresses affordability. That is the key issue. It's how do we address affordability? How do we make homeownership more affordable for consumers? From down payment assistance to multi-generational purchases to help affordability, to addressing the rising costs of insurance. How do you get down payment assistance? Because it changes. It's not the same nationally. We've addressed all these issues plainly, simply, and more importantly, we've educated and given solutions. So again, it's a tangible resource so more consumers can become homeowners this year. So we're very excited. We just released last week on the 9th of February, and we are going to be sharing it proactively, not only with our consumers, with other brokers, as well as members of Congress. So we're very, very excited about the work and releasing this playbook.
It really is such an incredible feat, and I can tell that you are so proud of it. So congratulations there. That is a huge accomplishment. How can people find the playbook? What's the best way for them to go about doing that?
Great question. So we just released an op-ed on LinkedIn, and we have multiple social media outlets that we have announced it. You can go to the brokeractioncoalition.com. We have it available for anyone and everyone. Fill out a quick form. Tell us who you are. Are you in the business? Are you a consumer? Are you a lender? Are you a member of Congress? Download that playbook, and it's really simple. Read it, share it, use it. That simple. Read it, share it, use it, because it is a solution. It's the first of its kind, and we've already heard phenomenal feedback. So again, we're about closing the gap. This is not an issue of data. We've got it. Our issue has been we've never had a playbook. We've never had a solution until now. Now we have it. Let's use it.
So good. So good. I'm so excited to champion you as you go about supporting this because it really is so necessary. So I can't wait to see everything that you do with it. I would love to know, how has your background helped to shape all of this action that you're taking and your passion for expanding the homeownership access to these communities who maybe haven't had the same traditional access as the majority community?
Yes. That's a great question. And it took years for me to figure out that all of my roles in both retail, wholesale, as not only an executive, but a senior consultant, for my roles in training every role in the mortgage space to being the AVP of compliance, from managing the CFPB, from global corporate compliance. Like I've done it all, literally.
Wow.
And so your question is actually legitimate. I remember just thinking, how are all of these roles that I've held, how are they going to help me to make a difference? And it's right now at this point in my career that all of that breadth and depth of experience is helped me to advocate on behalf of not only consumers, but for brokers. What's good for consumers is good for brokers. And so I'm very excited to take my experience, my expertise, every day on the ground, in the field, grassroots, to, yes, help families, single moms, dads, first-time home buyers, first generation. I get just a sense of pride every day getting up knowing that I'm making a difference. That's on the ground, but then to make a difference on a different level, to advocate on behalf on a national level, and to help nationally, it's the best of both worlds. And this is ultimately where purpose intercedes with the work that we do tangibly as a wholesale lender. So I'm excited. I'm excited to help more borrowers and to see us make an impact.
It is so critical right now. We know that there is a housing crisis that's been going on. It's going to continue going on for a while. So putting every tool and every component that you can into what you're offering right now, how you can better go about assisting these borrowers and consumers really is going to benefit everyone. Like you said, it serves everyone. We have literally just scratched the surface, and I have so much more that I want to talk to you about, but we're out of time for Max Convo. So let's jump over. I want to go do a Take It to the Max with you. I want to peel back. I want to dive a little bit deeper because you have so much to share about this. And again, it is so critical right now. So let's jump over. Let's go do a Take It to the Max. Dr. Jennifer Gormer, I'm delighted to have you here. And again, can't wait to see everything that you accomplished.
Thank you. Thank you for what you're doing, showcasing the people that are doing the work. We appreciate you as well.
Yes, of course. It really is my pleasure. And again, I'm LaDonna Lockard, and this is Max Convos.
For more on this and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.